Here is a new video on the DJI Mini 3 Pro, which was released in May 2022. It has a lot of new features, a lot more than the Mini 2, and it's under the very important 250 grams. The drone specification includes front and rear sensors for collision avoidance, a battery time of 34 minutes which can be extended to 47 with a bigger battery, and it has an active track feature which is a follow me and a point of interest. It also includes a number of Quickshots, which is droney, rocket, helix, boomerang, which you've seen before. The camera is 12 megapixels, but it does have the capability of taking a 48 megapixel photo combining 4 images. It's 4K video, it does auto and manual settings, and it'll shoot in RAW. It has a reasonably wide field of view of 82 degrees, and it has a fixed aperture of 1.7. It will also shoot in portrait and landscape mode for social media. Here you'll see the camera moving between landscape and portrait mode. Let's power on the drone. Here are the rear facing sensors on the top of the drone for collision avoidance. And at the front, facing forward, are the front-facing collision avoidance sensors. You have the choice of 2 controllers with the Mini 3. The Smart Controller, which has an inbuilt screen, which is about £150 more, and the Standard Controller. The Smart Controller has an inbuilt bright screen, and it is an Android device. Both controllers use the DJI Fly app, the same as the Mini 2 and Air 2 drones. On both controllers you can select normal, sport or cine mode. The combo pack comes with a battery charger which takes 3 batteries, the larger or the smaller batteries, and that plugs into the mains. It takes about an hour to charge the batteries. Here's a diagram of the DJI charger, and the battery pushes into the back of the drone using 2 buttons on the side of the batteries. If you enjoyed this video, then subscribe to the channel or watch the next video in the playlist or the new videos that we've just recently downloaded. Bye for now.